Ever wondered why some people seem to have a knack for building wealth while others struggle? It might have more to do with mindset than you think. Picture this: two people, same income, same expenses, yet one consistently grows their wealth, while the other lives paycheck to paycheck. The difference? Their financial mindset. It's their beliefs, attitudes, and habits about money that drive their financial decisions and behaviors. For instance, someone with a positive financial mindset sees money as a tool to reach their dreams, not as a source of stress. They understand the importance of living within their means, saving for the future, and investing wisely. They're not afraid to take calculated risks, and they're always learning, ready to adapt to change. A positive financial mindset isn't about being born with a silver spoon in your mouth, but learning to stir your own pot of gold. Now that you understand the power of mindset, how can you cultivate a prosperous money mindset? The first step is challenging any limiting beliefs you might have about money. If you believe that wealth is unattainable for you, that belief can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Instead, focus on the abundance around you and visualize what financial success looks like for you. Another powerful tool is gratitude. By appreciating what you already have, you can shift your focus from scarcity to prosperity. But cultivating a prosperous money mindset isn't just about positive thinking. It's about taking action. Financial challenges are inevitable. Whether it's unforeseen expenses or a volatile job market, these obstacles can test your financial resilience. The key is to prepare for these challenges ahead of time. This could mean building an emergency fund, diversifying your income streams, or learning new skills to increase your employability. Remember, cultivating a prosperous money mindset is about more than just thinking positively. It's about taking purposeful action towards your financial goals. With a positive money mindset in place, it's time to set some financial goals. But how do you ensure they're realistic and achievable? The answer is to use the SMART goal setting framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of just saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a house in 2 years." Now, how do we get there? This is where budgeting comes into play. By listing out all your income and expenses, you can see where every dollar is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Next, focus on saving strategies. Consider automatic savings plans that move a portion of your income into savings each month. This ensures that your savings grow consistently and reduces the likelihood of overspending. When it comes to financial goals, remember that it's not a sprint, but a marathon. Patience and consistency are key. Investing can be a powerful tool for wealth creation, but it's not without its risks. And what about debt? Is it always a bad thing? Let's start with investing. It's all about balancing risk and reward. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, these are just some of the options out there. But remember, higher potential returns often come with higher risks. So, it's crucial to do your homework and make informed decisions. Now let's talk debt. Debt isn't necessarily the enemy. Sometimes it's a useful tool, like when it helps you buy a home or start a business. The trick is managing it responsibly. Avoid borrowing more than you can repay, make payments on time, and stay clear of high-interest debt traps. Remember, investments can grow your wealth, while responsibly managed debt can provide opportunities. But both need careful handling. Investments and debt are two sides of the same coin. Managed wisely, they can help you achieve financial success. Managed poorly, they can lead to financial ruin. So, you've got a positive money mindset, set financial goals, started investing, and have your debt under control. What's next? Well, the next step in your financial journey is building long-term wealth. This isn't about quick riches, but creating sustainable financial growth over time. Think about diversifying your income streams. Don't rely solely on your day job. Perhaps consider a side hustle, rental income, or even passive income from your investments. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate or stocks. These can provide steady growth and help you build your wealth. Planning for retirement is also key. It's never too early to start. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. But remember, the financial world is ever changing. Continuous learning and staying informed about financial trends is crucial. Remember, building wealth isn't a destination, but a journey. Stay committed, stay informed, and you'll be well on your way to financial success.